Your car's misfiring on cylinder 5 and flashing a P0305 code, but is it a quick spark plug swap or a hidden engine killer? Stick with me because the real fix might shock you. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what causes it, how to diagnose it, and most importantly, how to fix it without wasting money on guesswork. Let's get started. First, what exactly is the P0305 code? That means cylinder 5 misfire detected. Your engine has multiple cylinders, and when cylinder 5 isn't firing properly, it leads to misfires. Here are some common symptoms you might notice. Rough idle, the engine feels shaky when running. Loss of power, especially during acceleration. Engine hesitation or jerking while driving. Poor fuel economy, you're burning more gas than usual. Check engine light flashing. This means the misfire is severe and can damage your catalytic converter. Sometimes smell of fuel from the exhaust. The most common reasons for this code include spark plugs and ignition coils. Worn plugs or weak coils can't ignite fuel properly. Fuel delivery problems. Clogged injectors or weak fuel pump. Vacuum leaks, unmetered air throwing off the air-fuel ratio. Compression issues, worn piston rings, valves, or head gasket leaks. Faulty crankshaft or camshaft position sensors messing up timing. There are two simple DIY solutions you can try to solve this problem. Method A: checking the spark plug. Locate the spark plugs at the engine end of the wires beneath the plug covers. Carefully remove the spark plug. Use a spark plug gapper to measure the gap. The correct gap should be 0.02 to 0.071 inches. If the gap is too small, adjust it with the gapper until it's within the normal range. If the spark plug shows obvious damage, replace it with a new one. Method B: inspecting the ignition coil. Find the ignition coil, usually installed directly on the cylinder head above the spark plug. Carefully remove the ignition coil from the engine. Check for stains, oil, or visible damage. If dirty, clean it using a WD-40 cleaner. If damaged, replace it with a new ignition coil. After the repair, use your scanner to clear the code. Drive the car for 10 to 15 minutes. If the code doesn't return, congrats, you fixed it. To avoid seeing this code again, replace spark plugs on schedule. Use high-quality fuel. Keep up with oil changes. Clean fuel injectors periodically. Check engine sensors during regular maintenance. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.